When you move, fall a thunderbolt. Let your prep be silent and invisible. When the wok ignites, move like a thunderbolt. Hesitation is death. The armory assembles. Doubanjiang, tianmianjiang, soy, wine, garlic, leek, peppers, sugar, oil. Each soldier readied. Slice the pork like a sword. Thin curls, uniform, no ragged edge. Discipline demands precision. Boil the slices to temper steel. 1 minute, then drain. No mercy for rawness. To chilish. Heat oil. Add doubanjiang and tianmianjiang. Stir until volcano erupts. Then slam fist on wok. Sauce leaps like cannon fire. Toss parboiled pork, garlic, leek, peppers. Caramelize edges. Coat in red tide. Victory demands no hesitation. Behold the battlefield of flavor. Glaze shines. Colors clash. Taste test. Good. Miss, discipline feeds the nation. Follow for the next campaign.